I love walking, and what better place? I know some people go to the Beacon Beacons, some people drive all the way to the Forest of Dean, and I just can't see the reason to drive so far when we have this on our doorstep. Cwmcarn is about 8 miles north of Newport, and this area, when I was a child, was actually a coal mine. Back in the 1970s, they had a really, really good vision to change this into an area for walkers, and it is phenomenal.
What you've got in the Cwmcarn Valley is the visitor centre at the start of the valley where you can have a meal. You can have a leisurely walk around the lake. You can go a little bit further up the valley and you can pay that little bit extra then to actually enter the Cwmcarn Forest drive. So, I mean, it's one of 3 scenic drives in the United Kingdom. You've got a very deeply cut valley. You've got a road that basically winds its way up the valley. You've got various different places you could stop. And those different car parks then are focused around different legends of the area. So you've got the legend of Bran, you've got the legend of the bees, you've got the legend of the pool of avarice. And the views, I mean, are absolutely phenomenal. Anybody who comes here for the first time, I think, is pretty much blown away by it. It is a unique feature that we need to make more of.
It is true that many people who live around here don't know it's here. So I volunteered to lead walks and, I've been doing that probably, 20 years. I know the people appreciate my walks because they come back time and time again. The reason I love walking is because it gives me such a feeling of well-being. It's so easy to stay at home, but just a couple of 100 yards in these surroundings, I defy anyone not to feel much, much better. We are incredibly lucky in the South East Wales valleys for the beauty we have on our doorstep.
Cwmcarn combines the environment, the history, the legends. Personally, I can't think of a better place to bring your family.